Welcome and welcome back everyone. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Pooja and I make DIY home decor videos. That includes thrifting, refurbishing, making it on my own, and also get inspired from some high-end decor websites and try to make a affordable version for that. So if you're interested in those kind of videos, you will certainly enjoy the videos that I posted on my channel. Don't forget to check other videos on my channel. You will absolutely enjoy it. And let me get started with today's video. Today's video is about Ikea hacks. So I went to nearby Ikea that is actually like 2 kilometers from my home, and I usually don't go there. I happened to go there to get some Ikea hack stuff, and I made 2 DIYs from that. This video is mostly about my Ikea tip, what's new in that, and maybe I can show you some high-end version of the Ikea decor that is on the Pottery band. Apart from that, I tried to make 2 things that I actually saw on Instagram or TikTok, what you can do with Ikea products, or maybe how you can flip that into high-end products. I found my things, but for one frame, which I actually thought that I don't need to have it from Ikea, maybe I can just buy from dollar store. So that Ikea hack turned into dollar store hack, which is absolutely amazing, but the product turned out just the way it showed in Ikea hack. And the second one is actually found the high-end version of that, and that is pretty expensive, so I could make that one too. So both the DIYs are amazing, but most of this video is going to be showing you how you can buy Ikea products and turn it into a high-end product, which I did not, but maybe I can provide you some ideas for that. So I hope you will enjoy, and let me get started with today's video. When you go to Ikea, you can always find that they have sort of really nice Ikea bedroom inspirations, and sometimes they are amazing. And believe it or not, you can simply just take an inspiration from those ideas. You truly don't have to buy everything from Ikea. You can probably recreate the same kind of room with thrifted products or probably dollar store products, and you can replicate the entire room to your house. And they actually had a university student combo as well. They were showing some guidance to the new university students who can buy. And I actually found this mug for about $19, which you can do a little bit of DIY on, and you can make it a Pottery band dupe. This was amazing. When I found this pillow, I know that I've seen it somewhere, and it was actually a Western dupe. Obviously, material is gonna be different, but you can create the same look. And this organic mirror, as you can see here, that is actually being sold on $200 approximately on Etsy. I've seen it on Amazon, so don't forget to grab it. And this planter that I believe is actually looks like a Pottery band dupe, but in a smaller size. They also had amazing options for candle holder that are pretty modern or probably vintage side. And some of them, if you don't like in a color, probably if you don't like black, you can simply spray paint into silver or gold according to the aesthetics you have in your home. And they were pretty amazing in prices too. So now, moving on to your first DIY is my photo frame propagation station. Now for that, I got this frame from dollar store, which was actually, I saw a TikTok on, that was, the lady bought this from Ikea. But well, of course, you don't have to buy from Ikea, and some of the DIYs that I make here that I probably don't utilize it fully. I just give it to my relatives or to my friends, or probably it just ends up in recycle. So I try to decrease my expenses on that, and I try to utilize my things that I already have. So this photo frame I already had, and I bought it from dollar store, but you can certainly buy a similar frame from Ikea if you need. Or if you want to make the entire wall with that, probably you need 9 or 10 frames, you can certainly go with Ikea frames. So for that, I took out the glass part of that and I left with the back MDF part. Now for that, I really didn't like the color of the MDF, so I'm just gonna spray paint that in white spray paint. But before I do that, I just needed to make sure that I measure my propagation station. These 2 are my serum bottles that I probably emptied it, and I left it there for some kind of use like this. I always love to recycle. So I measured it and I figured out the smaller one works better, but I had to take out the label. So for that, this is my little trick. I warm up my thing with candle or hairdryer, and it's super easy to take out label after that. So once the label was taken out, I measured again and I spray painted back part into white spray paint. Don't worry about it. The cloth that you can see in the background, it's absolutely nothing to do with it. I don't use it at all. It's just that at that point I couldn't find my cardboard box to put to spray paint on, so I just used that cloth. Once I had it spray painted, I measured my propagation bottle onto the plywood that I spray painted. I took my drill, drilled 2 holes in that because it was completely necessary for me. If you don't have it, you probably use some different kind of tools to make tiny holes like this. It can be anything. And then I passed a twine through that, so it can hold my propagation bottle very easily. Just to enhance the look of my propagation station, we are actually going to glue up the bottle in the back part on the plywood too. So I used a little bit of hot glue to stick my bottle onto that. And I glued my twine in the back part. I used my hot glue to secure it. And this is how it was looking in the end. It was so cute, really amazing. And while I was shooting this, I actually had a bee coming in to look into that. So yeah, that was pretty scary, but okay. And then I got this plant mixture from Ikea that is literally $5. Can you believe? But I probably did not like the sprayer part that is in silver color, and that was not looking right to me. I really wanted something with warm tone, and I believe that gold would probably enhance its look. So what I did is I covered the bottom part that actually uses the spray. I covered that into tape, so when I spray paint it, it doesn't get all of spray inside, so sprayer works perfectly fine even when it's dry. So I covered the important part with tape and spray painted it really nice. A nice matte gold color. It was looking really nice, as you can see here. And I took out the tape, put it back on my sprayer bottle, and it was ready. The actual product, if I try to buy with metal, it comes up for about $100. So it's a vintage product, so it's not easy to get it as well, which I tried to recreate by spray painting it. Yes, it's definitely not looking just the way we expect it to look like, but it's still so much better than silver. And after it was dry, I just want to make sure that it works perfectly fine, because I spray painted that, so I didn't want it to ruin the bottle or its mechanism. So it was working perfectly fine, and I truly enjoyed it. So yeah, that was amazing. Another DIY for today, and I was super happy with 2 DIYs that I did. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and if you have, don't forget to check out other videos on my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on the channel, because that helps me to create my own YouTube community. So once again, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one.